Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So on the ETH chart, we have seen a reaction here to our support area on the daily time frame. These Fibonacci areas are designed for the price to, well, ideally to reach them. So they typically act as a magnet for the price. And then we are going to, we typically expect the reaction to these support areas because a break below, it would also be a signal, but it would likely then tell us that the market is going the other way, right? That the scenario is, let's say, breaking or we're moving into an alternative scenario. But as long as the market is holding above the support area on the daily time frame, the focus can be on higher prices, either directly, as per the white scenario where a B wave already bottomed, or in the yellow scenario where the C wave within wave B, such a B wave, by the way, is always a corrective pattern. So in most cases, a three-wave move. But this C wave could still be unfolding, right, in the yellow scenario. Whereas in the white scenario, the low formed this week on Monday. And to get some more clarity about that, we have to observe the microstructures on the 1 hour time frame. I already mentioned in the last video that the low could absolutely be in, but we need a first 5-wave move to the upside to confirm that. Until yesterday, we didn't really have a 5-wave move. Now let's switch to the smaller time frame. This is the 30-minute chart. Here you can see that the market likely bottomed in the white scenario. That's at least one scenario. That's one consideration. That means we're just watching now for upside reversal signals. In the yellow scenario, it can easily still go down lower. It's just that based on larger time frames, the size of that rally here that happened from the Monday low, it is just too small to fully confirm that a low has been established. But the fact that with today's inflation data release, we've seen a first 5-wave move up now, well, it certainly increases probabilities for the white scenario, which makes it quite simple because now with a possible 5-wave move up, and I zoom in a bit further, 5-wave movements are always needed to indicate the trend direction. So if I get, after a downtrend, a 5-wave move to the upside based on Elliott wave, that is my first signal that the reversal to the upside is occurring. I can identify 5 waves up, as you can see here. Yesterday I wasn't quite happy with this move yet because one more wave was missing, but now we have a 5-wave move in the white scenario. It also reached an ideal target area. Now I have added a Fibonacci support zone here on the micro level should a pullback in wave 2, which is the subsequent corrective pullback, occur now. So after a 5-wave move up, typically we expect a 3-wave pullback. That would confirm further that actually a larger degree low formed. It's quite simple. It's all about watching for a series of higher highs and higher lows in 5 waves. This series will then typically get corrected by a pullback. And if that pullback forms a higher low, which is normally expected after a 5-wave move up, then this would confirm further the trend reversal. And this wave 2 can offer a good entry point for a pullback trade. Now, the support area is between $3,002 and $3,157. To keep it very simple, as long as the market now holds above $3,000, I will assume a low is in. Any break below $3,000 would strongly suggest that the yellow scenario is extending further lower, possibly down to around about $2,400. But for now, we are watching this. Now, we just had the release of the inflation data. So whenever you watch the video, microstructures have likely shifted. Today is a very volatile day. We expected volatility, but this should give you all the information you need right now. Even if you watch the video later, you know, these levels will still be relevant. Even if the price is broken below $3,000, you know what to expect. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.